Honor 300, a mid-range marvel. If you're looking for a mid-range smartphone that delivers excellent features, long battery life, and reliable performance, the Honor 300 Standard Edition is one you shouldn't miss. With its balance of aesthetics, functionality, and affordability, this phone truly stands out in its price range. Hi everyone, this is Maiky from techmaiky. If you love exploring the latest tech gadgets, consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our amazing tech videos. Now, let's dive into the unboxing and first impressions of the Honor 300. The Honor 300 comes in a sleek white box. To begin, we remove the plastic wrapping, open the lid, and take a look inside. The box includes a Type-C to Type-A data cable, a 100 watts power adapter with a Type-A output. While the contents are minimal, they are practical, and the inclusion of a fast charger is a big plus for a device in this price range. The Honor 300 boasts an exceptional design that combines modern aesthetics with natural inspirations. Among the available colors, the mist purple variant is particularly captivating. Drawing inspiration from sunlight filtering through mountain mists, this shade features soft purple tones that shift beautifully under different lighting angles. The back panel is adorned with flowing lines that create an illusion of mist-covered peaks. The smooth and silky texture adds a premium feel, making the phone as pleasing to touch as it is to look at. Other color options include Desert Sand, inspired by the vast and timeless beauty of deserts. Kangshan Gray, mimicking the serene hues of mountain landscapes. Each shade has a natural charm that blends sophistication with simplicity. The Wilderness Lens camera module stands out with its asymmetric design, adding a unique character to the phone. Fine detailing around the lens, resembling a web of lines, further enhances its aesthetic appeal. A subtle raised step near the camera, with Powmaster etched into it, showcases Honor's attention to detail. The phone's rear panel is flat, seamlessly merging with the frame. The flat-edge design with sharp right angles offers a clean, minimalist look, complemented by the frosted finish on the sides that matches the back panel's color. On a scale of 1 to 5, how would you rate the Honor 300's design? One of the Honor 300's standout features is its slim and lightweight design. Weighing just 175 grams and measuring 6.97 millimeters thick, it's incredibly portable and comfortable to hold. Despite its slim profile, the phone feels sturdy and durable. Its ergonomic build ensures long-term usability without causing hand fatigue. Plus, the IP65 rating for water and dust resistance adds to its durability, making it suitable for everyday use in various conditions. The Honor 300 features a 6.7-inch display with a resolution of approximately 1.5K. Thanks to its ultra-thin bezels, the screen offers an immersive viewing experience. The display supports advanced features like Dynamic Refresh, DR, Low Blue Light Zone, LZ, for full screen eye protection. These are rare in this price range and elevate the viewing experience. A unique feature, motion smoothing for car rides, reduces motion blur while using the phone during car rides. Similar to Apple's technology, it's particularly useful for reducing motion sickness. The display also incorporates Oasis eye protection, minimizing eye strain during extended use. Mud input smoothing, for smoother touch interactions, 3840 Hz PWM dimming, ensuring flicker-free viewing even in low light. These features make the Honor 300 an ideal choice for prolonged screen time without causing discomfort. Despite its slim profile, the Honor 300 houses a 5300 mAh battery, a remarkable feat for a lightweight device. This massive battery offers approximately 8 hours of screen-on time, even with high-performance apps. Overnight standby with minimal power drain. You can comfortably use the phone throughout the day without needing frequent recharges. The Honor 300 supports 100 watts super fast charging, making it incredibly convenient for users always on the go. Charging stats include 10 minutes, 41% charge, 30 minutes, 91% charge, 45 minutes, full charge. This rapid charging ensures you're never left waiting, even during busy schedules. Powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor, the Honor 300 handles daily tasks with ease. From social media scrolling to video streaming and multitasking, the performance remains smooth and lag-free. While it may not cater to heavy gamers or power users, the Honor 300 excels in providing a reliable experience for everyday usage. For those seeking enhanced performance, the Pro version of the Honor 300 offers upgraded specifications, making it a viable option for more demanding users. The Honor 300 features a dual rear camera setup. It includes a 50-megapixel main camera that supports image stabilization. There's also a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera. You can check out the sample photos for better understanding. The Honor 300 is available in multiple configurations. The base variant, 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage, is priced at 22 won, 22,999 in India, 249 GBP in the UK, 317 USD in the USA. This competitive pricing adds to its appeal, offering excellent value for money in its segment. Final verdict. An exceptional choice, the Honor 300 Standard Edition is a standout smartphone in its price range. From its sleek, nature-inspired design to its long-lasting battery and stunning display, it delivers a well-rounded experience. Key highlights include slim and lightweight build, advanced display features, impressive battery life and super-fast charging, reliable everyday performance. Whether you value aesthetics, comfort, or functionality, the Honor 300 ticks all the boxes. It's not just a smartphone, but a thoughtfully designed device that caters to the needs of modern users. Join the conversation. What do you think about the Honor 300? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. Finally, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech content. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and keep smiling. See you in the next video.